Hurry, get in the way. I'm committing vehicular manburger helper.
Come in, Officer Dog, and Greg the Knight, you copy. This is the chief. Did you find PP?
Stand back. These are winter boots.
Where are you, PP? Break the dog. Hit the dog.
Jesse,
You know I got you, buddy. Thanks. Shut up! Officer Knight, it's the chief. Can you hear me? Answer! So long, suckers! Won't have to worry about you anymore. It's fun! See, he's a cop with kung fu, and Greg the dog is
Greg the dog's
mums.
But what if they combine their skills?
take over the world! What? Oh!
Can I have tomorrow off? It's my mother's birthday.
There's a bomb up here. Green means go, red means go. What's that? Lemon, apples. Are there any green lemons?
And then along came Susie. He hurled his thunderbolt.
This is Cesar. What will be the fate of Officer Dog and Greg the Knight?
I'm sorry to say, Mr. Cop.
What's your idea? What if we sew the man's head onto the dog's body?
No!
This is Sarah Sahara. It stopped raining.
Fuck!
Dogman! This is Sarah Sahara again.
Again?
Yeah, that's why I said again, yet again!
With me now, the Chief of Chief. Chief, how has it been having a soup? Isn't he great? Don't you think?
You should kill yourself.
He's made friends. Bart the mailman plays piano for the old man. And he did all that in one day. He's just Dogman Soup.
Dogman Soup? Why is Dogman on the front page, Sarah? Huh? You drive me crazy. What? I said no! Really? Where is Dogman anyway?
I don't know.
Well, fine.
Why are you yelling at me? I'm not yelling, and I'm okay, Captain Fox.
It's time.
Bo! Leave you!
I made a soup. Dog.
I'll build a huge, high-tech, massively expensive penis!
Yeah, okay, dogs also hate crackers. BT Dubs, you owe me a
Please. I get enough grief from the mayor. Go and arrest PP, and I don't care if it takes a montage.
This is Sarah Sahara bringing you the Dogman Arrests PP montage. Here with my cameraman, Shamish.
Yes, that's right, Sarah. First attack, a giant penis!
Don't show that one.
Ocean!
Don't want to vacuum in the ocean.
Seriously?
For many children, breakfast kicks off the day, and the staple, of course, is cereal.
Hey, no fair! I can't swim!
What a fucking
Save me! I just gotta say, fuck!
Hey, PP.
You shut the fuck up!
sir.
You shut the fuck
Let it
up!
get you a little bit.
You shut the fuck up! You shut the fuck up!
Mean.
Hey, let's play. Okay.
He escaped again.
Hey, PP.
Here, Pete.
So long, suckers!
There go the
3, 2,
S.
The butt sniffer.
All right, that's it. Mayor,
Pete escaped again.
Again.
Get the fuck out.
That's why I said it. I want Dogman off the PP.
that's not fair.
Here, call this number.
you!
What is off the case? Just give him some do.
No, Saras, you're my cock.
Spit on your hand and stroke my cock at a medium pace.
This place is
You still owe me a paycheck?
Oh, I sent you your money.
Poop is not money.
I need another me.
There's so much porn!
Yes! Get down here, ASAP! Do you remember Flippy the fish you gave me for my birthday that ate way too many brain dots? All right, good, because I don't think I can say that again. The geniuses at the super awesome soup over there? Dog man, no, stop.
Here's a video all about it that my daughter made for her 5th grade filmmaking class.
Cute. Let's see. Any questions?
Isn't rebuilding a psychokinetic evil
Bitch.
dangerous?
Stay. Keep your eyes on those monitors.
How hard can it be? Hey, that's well. I'm Pickle Rick!
You managed to disappoint me, the mem, and the scientists over at the super over there. Did you see who stole that bitch? Once I reprogram this bitch. Yes, destroy gay people. Ha ha. Pretty funny, dog, man, but look, we don't have time.
Yay!
It's pee-pee. It's pee-pee. You found pee-pee. Step 1. Insert dick into the shoeish. Open door to retrieve your free beer. What?
Where's my
Free beer. What? Free beer.
My free beer? Don't tell me you forgot my...
I want my whiskey.
Is that fun?
So. Come.
I made you a book.
What? Clinton.
I need to go potty.
You almost got me killed! You almost got me killed! What is with you?
Chicken jockey!
Look. The mayor will have a cow catch pee-pee. I mean, what's the mayor gonna say? That's not fair? Fuck you! Let's do.
I would like to play a game.
Ooh, I hope it's miserable.
The new.
I'll call you Snowball. I think I'll call you.
Yay, Luigi.
What?
I want my money back!
Here's your money back. I gotta go potty.
Box.
You only abandoned me in an alley as a kitten!
Don't be afraid. Can you read me a story?
No!
Papa and Me by Lil P.
I don't give a fuck.
Janet, what's that noise?
Cereal is...
Oh, right.
Insert cash or select payment.
I came to annoy you. Behold.
Chicken jockey!
Dog man. I paid you.
Fuck you!
Oh, hi, Papa.
That's ADHD. Those are weeds.
Oh.
Smoke weed!
That dog man's got you thinking the whole world is just bring here. You need la la.
I've been roaming around.
And that's fine. When I was a kid, my pop didn't do anything for me. He got a truck. He took all our trucks. Yep. I never saw him. And selfishness out there. That's reality.
Your wife is fucking other guys.
Oh, of course. Yeah, I know how you about the indifferent chop?
Oh, that's real nice.
Return him to Dogman.
My clothes.
Metal flat weight! Put me down, you. Oops.
I'm not Pee-Pee. I'm Little Pee-Pee, your grandson.
I know, grandson. A woman in the military.
What? Well, you got a head like a
Elephant green screen effect.
sus. Is all this yours?
No.
I just wanted you to have your papa back.
My papa? My papa? My papa?
Do you have any idea what that feels like?
Yay.
Where do you keep the air fryer? Like that would ever happen. Chuck it.
2 points.
Okay, people.
I'm now compelled to do. Are you with me, building?
No!
Okay then, let us.
Yeah, except your dick decided to come all over the floor. And he's the What up, Dad?
All right.
I didn't ask for your life story, Jabberjaw.
You have ADHD. I gotta do what I gotta do.
Get milk.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Kaboom! There goes your tower. Watch it crumble. Feel the power.
Mechanical exploding squirrels. How evil can one cat be?
How bad could I possibly be?
Okay, people.
Where are you?
Okay, people.
They're up on that giant Euro.
Yo, it's a cheesesteak.
Charlie's cheesesteaks.
Ending in a giant Euro.
And that cheese.
Correction, cheesy.
What? Stuck in cheesesteak? Stuck in cheesesteak? Stuck in cheesesteak? Stuck in cheesesteak? Stuck in cheesesteak?
Stuck in cheese.
Incredible twist here downtown. Lil P is actually P.P.'s son, and a coincidence, sus, not on.
Arrest him!
Arrest him!
No, wait! Arrest him!
I miss him. I always thought I might be bad.
I am your friend.
You can't be friends with this. Do. Did someone say do?
You're in for it now, dog man. Because I programmed that bitch to destroy.
Okay, people.
What are you doing?
I've been rolling around.
Partners? A mailman? Seriously?
Seriously? Yeah, here's a montage.
I don't care if it takes a muck on you. Pedo! What? Pedo!
I'm not a pedo, and if I was, you'd be safe, you tubby little ginger cunt.
Let's see if they can find you before the ticking clock runs out, shall we?
What happens then?
I just thought we needed the ticking clock. My bad.
Now hand over that little cat.
Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, no. Get away from him, you
Bitch.
I gotta be.
Your anus!
I come to make an announcement.
I'm in love with you, Sarah Haddow.
You're an idiot. Fine.
When I was jorking it, I suddenly remember I lost my arm.
What the fuck?
Grandpa, Papa's
Stuck in cheesesteak?
Well, I'll get right on that.
ADHD, Papa.
Stuck in cheesesteak?
Dogman.
But there are buildings causing mayhem out there.
Things can't possibly get any worse.
Chief, turns out we actually are out of toilet paper.
Things can't possibly get any worse.
Chief, turns out we actually are out of toilet paper.
This is my chance. I'm gonna fucking kick him. I'm gonna kick him.
We're trapped.
What?
What? Who's that? Robocat!
Flippy tie, flip.
I'm going to die.
You can't escape me.
You stupid n***.
Papa!
Flippy's coming.
Papa, Flippy's gonna destroy you.
He's only after
Okay, people.
and I'm no.
Oh, you're much cuter from a distance. Cause up close, you kind of look all hot and sass. Oh, Daddy, did you love me?
Kill yourself.
Too slow and boring.
explosive.
Okay, no.
You're right, Dogman. There's always something you can do.
Yummers.
Look, Dogman and PP saved Lil PP, and then Lil PP saved Dogman and PP, and then PP saved Lil PP and Dogman. Now Dogman and Lil PP are saving PP. I got one question. He jumps into the volcano.
Brilliant.
Even back when I was in the school, all the other fish, they used to call me stuck in cheesesteak.
Flippy and me went under the sea. Then we ate suits. Did you like it?
What is this? Two guys from
Dogman!
Fuck him!
This is Sir Seth on the scene as the chief arrests Flippy the
Bitch.
Oh. Hey, Chief, smile. You're not Paul. Stop smiling at me. The governor saw the whole thing. He's been pardoned for being a
Homosexual. Wait, Supa cereal looks like you turned out to be a homosexual after all.
Gay people.
Get it, bitch.
I'm not a do-gooder. I'm not. See?
Not see.
Let's all go back to the station, completely ignoring the fact that half the city is destroyed.
Hey, that's Grandpa. Where's all our stuff?
Up your ass.
Where's all our stuff?
Not again.
Not again.
He took everything?
Some people just won't. Do? Never.
And weeds.
Smoke weed every day.
Hey, kid,
What?
look up.
What, Papa?
This world has a lot of problems because you're in it.
Hey, Papa?
You should kill yourself now.
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
Shut up!
I just want somebody to jiggle my balls.
Evil.
Put the gun down. You'll just go home alive.
Look at my son in the back seat, man. Got my son. You ain't getting no ice cream.